Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back in our fresh episode. This is our new episode, and this is episode 4 for the Unica Insights series. Just to give you the recap of the previous session, we discussed how to create a new report in BIRT for Insights, and for today's session, Chitwan will let us know what are we going to learn today. Chitwan, so what is in your plate today?
Yes. So this is in this episode 4. It is in continuation of episode 3, where what we will do, the episode 3 report, we will use it into the after the box report, which is email detailed link report, and we will have a drill through report here, and it will demonstrate how we can create drill through report in BIRT, and that you can use it for as many as business cases that you may have. Then what we will do, we will integrate this new report in Unica as well, and there are a set of configuration required for the same, and we'll do this configuration and integrate the reports in the application. Okay, so just I forgot to mention in the last episode that in case you need any kind of template, then you can write either Rohit or me to the email template, and we can send you through over the email. That should be fine. Okay, so let's begin, Rohit.
Yes, please.
Sure. So this is the report that we have created last time. This is our email link click report by email ID. And we want this report as a drill through report for our detailed link report. Now for that purpose, as we suggested in the past that you should not be modifying the out of the box report right there. However, you can make a copy of your report for the out of the box report and give a new name and then use it for your entire custom report. So what you can do is you can go to your Unica environment. So my Unica home is the Unica home, then platform, insights, reports, campaign, partitions, partition 1, FNM campaign, deliver report. Now for this particular use case, you can make a copy of SQL SVR detail link report. You can just copy it from here and take this report in your project. So the project will remain same that we have had in the last time. So this is my project and you can copy this report here. Now this is going to be a altogether custom report, so I don't want to use the out of the box name. I can just say a name like any name. It won't display on the page, so I just say it is a custom. Okay. Now you should open this report into the BIRT Designer here. So in order to open it, I mean, if you can just click here, refresh, the report will be available to here, and you can just mouse over to this RPT design, take it to the bar, and the report will be open for you. As the very first step, we will expand all those navigations, verify whether you have the right data source connection. Yes, it looks good. Then you can look at the data sets, all fine. Now we want to have a drill through functionality over here. Okay, now when I run the out of the box report, so when I click on run, since this report required the p campaigns parameter, so for your development purpose it doesn't require into the integrated setup, but in the development setup for all deliver reports you need to pass on parameters so called campaigns and give your campaign ID. So my development campaign ID is 18. Now I see the prompt dialog box. I can select the mailing instances which I have run under this campaign, Diwali campaign and the Christmas campaign. I say OK, and I see my report here. Now what I want to see is I can see like this campaign, I had these email links there. I got some click counts as well, but I don't know who were the visitors who have clicked on my link. So I want to have some drill through here so that I can extract their email IDs and I can take them to the next marketing process. So for that business purpose, we are going to make a drill through report and make this count clickable. Go back to the again the report, my detail link custom report. What I have to do is select the data item which I want to make a drill through. Click on it and into the properties editor, select hyperlink. Click on edit. Choose option is drill through. And while drill through, I want to have a report here. So I need to select my report design. My report name is email link. Sorry. Yes, email link report. Now this report I know has 3 parameters. So I need to pass on filters from this report. So I will add those parameters one by one. First of all, I have got the P campaigns parameter. Okay. This parameter data type is string, but it's supposed to be number. So let me check whether I have copied this report in the right place. So let me check the path here. So custom reports, email link. Okay, and then I see this report custom link here. Okay, and this parameter name is string. Okay, so I should update it as a integer. Actually it is not an string, so I update it, I save it, I come back to my report, I again click on the field, hyperlink, editor, drill through report, select my report, email link report. Okay, adding parameter. See, now I see the integer as a parameter and looks correct to me. Now need to map these values. So I know that this value is coming from my report parameter. So this is my filter value. It's going to be passed from the HTML automatically. My next parameter is there are 3 parameters I already know. So mailing instances, this is a string parameter, correct? The value should be coming from available column binding and from the table, and the mailing instance should be listing here. Okay, this is my mailing instance field. Okay. Okay. Now the third parameter is display link. So again, I'm going to here, column links, table, and I will look for the URL display name. I can double click on it in the expression. Whenever you want to test and validate your expression, you can very well do that as well. Say okay. Okay. Now, furthermore, I always want to open drill through report in a new window. So I'll select the new window and let the my existing report execution intact into the browser. So I choose the new window. I can give any help text here for the user to learn what they can expect from the drill through. Let's say I give click here to check all email IDs. Okay, I click on OK. I save the report. Now let me run this report again. I can close the previous browsers. Now I know every time when I run any deliver report, I need to pass on the campaign parameter, so-called P campaigns, and I know the campaign ID is 18, which is UA campaign ID column. Okay, now I see my mailing instances. I select them all. I click on OK. Now I see that all those hyperlinks are showing up here. Now let me check for the Christmas campaign who are interested to know more, and they have clicked on the link. I click over here and my drill through report opens up, and I can see that these two people are willing to know more about the offer. So I can run a different campaign for them and make sure they are availing my offers. Let's say there are some people who have requested for the unsubscription. So I want to know who are they. So I got it. Okay, this particular person want to unsubscribe and check whether he was able to unsubscribe the emails notification properly or not. This is my compliance purpose. So that's what we have modified the existing report and we have tested it, and we think like it works as expected. Now we can save this report and we can close it off from here. Okay. Now we want to see this report from Unica. I mean, so far, whatever work we have done is in the development environment. We want to push this report into the production. So the steps you should follow in order to push your report in production are like now onwards. So I go back to my project. First of all, I will copy my drill through report and the modified custom report from my project. This is my development project. I'm making a copy of it. I go to my Unica environment. Platform, insights, reports, campaign, partitions, partition 1, Affinium campaign, and deliver reports. Let's say I want to have a folder so-called my reports, and I paste both the reports here. Okay. Now my reports are available on the file system. Now I need to make a configuration so that these reports can be listed and executed in my Unica environment. So let us do those steps now. For that, I need to configure these 4 parameters in which I will give the folder name, report file name, and some description. So let us configure these things here. Where is my Unica? Okay, I think I need to open a new browser. Access to my Unica. This is Fixpack 3 release. I log on. This is my local environment. I go into settings, configurations. Here I will navigate to campaign, partitions, partition 1, and I look for Unica Insights reports. So deliver reports, I will use deliver template. I will choose custom reports. Now I need to give any category name which I want to have. So there will be one category for each custom report. I say for I need to give report folder name. So I can choose the report folder name is this one. I want to give the report name as well. So my report name is this one. Okay, sorry. So report file name should be this one, but the report name which I want to show up there. So I can say email link report with, and I can have a description. This report shows email link So this description will be available when you see the report into the report listing. Save changes. Okay, just wait for a minute. The configuration will be available here. So your configuration is listing here. Now what you should do is go to analytics, campaign analytics. Click on synchronize folders because we have recently created a new report in the folder. So let me create the synchronize folder. Go into deliver reports and see my custom report has been listing here. I navigate it and my report has been showing up here, and I can also see the description which I have captured there. So we could not see the campaign name drop down here. I think there is some issue into the custom report. Let us go back to the designer, okay, and review the campaign filter. All right. So let me give you some information here. So the way P campaigns filter is designed in UI is if it gets the value from the session, it does not allow you to change it. Okay, and in this report we are not setting up any preset value. So what we have to do is we need to just set the is required field on, and then I think it should be working as expected. So what we want to see is campaign dropdown should be enabled, not disabled. So I have saved this report. I should be copying it from my system. It's current date timestamp. It's correct file. Let me copy it on the production. Okay. I come here, cancel it. I just log out once. I log in again back. Analytics, campaign analytics, deliver reports, my custom report. Okay, now this campaign filter is enabled for me. I can select my campaign, which is Fitbit smartwatch promotion. I can select these two campaigns which I want to review. Okay, so I can see this deliverable link available. Let me click on the Facebook link. The new report opens up as it did open in the development environment, and everything is fine. If I want to export this report, I can export it in XLS. Now the report is been downloaded and I can share it to my respective team for the further analysis. Okay, so this Excel sheet can be shared by the campaign designer to the marketing team, so they can have a look on it and they can take the next marketing action. That's all from this side. Rohit, any questions so far?
I think Chitwan, we discussed pretty much everything in this session as well as in the previous session, so we should be good. Uh, and for all of the our audiences, if there is something which is not which is not clear to you or you want to understand it more, please don't hesitate to mail us, to drop a comment. We are for you at each and every moment to help you, to help us. Stay tuned. We will come up with something new in our next series. Till then, have a great time. Good day. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.